Damn guys, I was on my way to tech right there and the car shut off on me. Guys, just figured out my problem, and it's these wires right here that are touching each other. So I'm gonna have to snip all of this, loop them together, get into tech, and they're actually up in line right now. So gotta hurry up and do this.
Oh, he got issues. $13.5? Come on. $13.2. Damn, hell yeah!
Shit, JoJo finally brought out his car. Hey, what'd you do? 12.9. Oh shit, boy, look at this. So my car had a little issue. I had these spark plug wires pop out on my pass, and thanks to Ricky, he had these brand new ones in his Integra 4-door over there, so he let me use that for now. I put new plugs. The car is running cherry, but it bogged out a little bit, so I aired up my tires, and that pass I just did, I forgot to press play on my GoPro. 259 did a 12.3 with the 1.860, and bogged off the line pretty hard. So I'm about to go with my second pass right now, give my camera to somebody, hit my GoPro so we can get some in-car for y'all, and let's get it. So what happened, son?
15 degree cutout, man.
So what Miller found out was the cutout was set at, what was it?
Like 9.1 pounds?
9.1 pounds, and this car, when we tuned it, it was about 9.1, and then up top is 10. So when he got to the top, it hit boost cut because it spiked to 10. And Miller just raised it up to the max of the stock map sensor, and it should be good, yeah?
Should be.
Should be.
$11.8, baby! 11.8. Damn, 11.9.
Then you go look, down G.
11.8. 12.1. Ah. No. Fuck.
That was a tough shit.
Fuck.
Come on, guy, get out.
Twelve 7. Oh shit. Boost cut again.
That's the cylinder, what, 4?
Yeah,
That was 4, where's it at?
It's inside of this.
Oh my goodness.
It died.
You see there?
It looks fine. It's wet as shit.
Maybe it just melted itself out. Cause look, it didn't just fall off. It melted or some
melted.
shit.
It definitely melted.
That's what I'm saying. So you think we just stab another one in there?
Stab another one in there and see if it makes 40
Fuck it.
pounds.
What? I think Miller's still shooting for that 400 stock between the B-Tech and shit.
You want me to grab my spark plugs?
Nah, I just use my old one here.
Hey, we just need one.
Grab a brand new one.
We just need one. Okay.
You put all
They're all
4,
got the
you
same.
might go 11, 10, 9,
Sit
8.
together.
Oh,
I just make sure.
Ricky, get yourself some filler gauges. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick little update. I haven't spoken much other than waiting in line and racing. I'm not sure if my cousin got the video of the EG hitting the wall, but Ryan Lockaspeed from Wicked One wrecked into the wall. So I just got eliminated because I felt my car breaking up, and what turns out to be is the spark plug being melted. Not sure what had happened here. Miller said maybe it's potentially caused from me banging the tip of the plug to gap it when I installed these early this morning, and we put another one in it, and the car runs fine now, but I'm eliminated, so I'm gonna have to wait for the fun runs. But we're done for right now, and let me give you a quick little rundown of everybody else's car. So Marco's car blew second gear out. This is the all-wheel drive Civic Coupe that he had hibernating for a little bit. And then Son's car runs fine, but Son, you know, first time on the track in like 10 years, so he was still learning this car. But he got eliminated by one of our buddies over there, Jojo. This car just pulled up. Paco's done for the day because his car only builds 2 pounds of boost, and we cannot figure out what's wrong with it. All the couplers are in, all the clamps, the wastegate's looking good, turbo's looking really good, but it does not build any type of boost. So he's done for today. He's about to swap his slicks out. This car is just a show car. Jojo just did a personal best today of 12.7. Hey Jojo, 12.7? 12.7, and he's still in it, so he's still racing his bracket. We're just waiting for them to call up, and he's gonna go back into the line. And then the last car is Alex over here. I'm not sure how he's doing. He's running the 1160 Index. Alex, how's your car running? Good? You still in?
Still in.
He's still in. So Alex is still in and Jojo's still in. 1160 turbo bracket, and everybody else is just waiting for the fun run. So I've already met a ton of you guys out here today, which is totally awesome. Everybody who bought merches, thank you very much. Again, the new tanks, the pocket tees will be released on the website very soon. But right now, I think I'm gonna take the time to walk over to the car show area. I just missed the limbo and say what's up to Streets of Track. What we got going on here, Joe? Explain this a little bit.
I don't got nothing going on. Some American Wagyu tri-tip.
Some American Wagyu tri-tip.
Take a look at the marbling.
Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, I'm gonna need a piece of that before I head to the car show, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Here.
Joe's sauce, this one right here. Not that one, y'all can have that one. The car show is getting smaller, guys, because we are nearing the end of the event. So I'm gonna walk around, capture some eye-catching cars. I've seen some eye-catching cars. And some butts too. Oh. Yo, this thing go hard, bro.
24, bro.
I wonder if, no, this is not the same setup as the, there was a 4-door. Oh, it's a K24A4. Hell yeah. Man, I can check myself out too, look at that. All right. Yo, carbon doors, boy.
Woo.
Oh, this is K Turbo 2 with the blue turbo like mine, the blue valve cover. I dig it, bro. I definitely dig it. Joe got me those mini donuts with the ice cream, bro, from Daisy's.
Yeah, that's the only one.
Okay, I'll just take that one.
Yo, big shout out to Ricky. He bought me an oil cap because I hadn't used one off his DB1, so mine would stop leaking, right? And big shout out to Daisy's because they hooked us up with a big old tray of freaking donuts, fresh, because they're packing up and heading home. So shout out to you guys.
Don't worry about it. Here. I tell people that.
I don't know when I'm able to drive. Hey, can you go there more? Can you go turn on my key? Just put the key forward. Just turn it forward.
Pump needs to be, you're not wired on directly, you know?
Oh shit, you're right.
Just getting some E85. Feeding the Evo? We're feeding the Evo, right?
That's right.
Yee. Get the thing right there back in line, boys.
appreciate you coming out and supporting drag racing here in Northern California. Drive safe. We'll see you here next time.
Going on?
Hey, son got it.
Reminder for those
Isn't that dark blue? Three, two, one, go!
Oh, I already beat these guys.
Hold up. I can do it. What the fuck? August, everybody's out, right? You're coming. Your car will be ready. Ricky, get out of the conversation. We're not talking to you. You know you're not even gonna have a turbo yet.
You can battle the other DB that had his hip hop.
Hey, boy,
All right, guys. Track is finally over. We are all done. Half the squad already left, and we are all packed up. Gate's about to close in a few here, and we're just about ready to dip on home. Son, come on, fool, put that little wiener away, bro. What you doing? What are you doing? Look at them chicken legs, bro. All right, guys, so we are wrapped up here, and we're just about getting ready to go. So I did a 12.3. I am super happy. After all the bullshit Miller fixed on my car, I let him drive it, and he did a 12.0. 12 freaking 0, guys. I'm super stoked at the fact that the car did this. But there is a few things I got to tweak with the car still. I have a lot of leaks because not running a catch can. Definitely going to be the first thing I'm going to do when I get home. Mold the valve cover, bung it, clean it, paint it, and then run my catch can somewhere in the engine bay. I don't know, but the car overall did great other than losing 5th gear on the way here. So I'm going to have to drive home in 4th. Other than that, I had a great time. I visited Rochelle at the Street to Track booth. The car show was kinda popping. A lot of nice cars, and definitely the donuts and ice cream. That shit was bomb as hell too. But thank you to everybody here who came out, even though y'all did some last minute bullshit on us.
No, what the fuck? I was there.
So,
Hold on, let me step back.
At the end of the day, at the end of the day, they showed up. So definitely appreciate that, man. The whole squad, you know, definitely supported us today. Alex, do his trailer, bro. Hold on, let me zoom to see it on his DIY trailer. Oh, he's going. So anyways, guys, we are gonna wrap it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Take it easy in the comment sections below. I know I didn't go 12 on my car, but I am super stoked. I built it, and that's all that matters. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace. You gotta let the music do that part, damn it.
I like that part though, that part is sick.